What's going on, guys? We're here back at the garage. We have a 2000 Honda Civic EX. It does not start, and we also have no crank, so we're about to check it out, so stay tuned.
Look, I just flipped the switch. Flip, flip. I don't know nobody else that's doing this.
Alright, so the engine is not turning, so the engine is seized. Alright, since this engine is not turning, I already have another engine ready to go for an engine swap. This vehicle is equipped with the automatic transmission, but I have a manual transmission. Since this engine is seized, I gotta see the condition of the transmission after I remove the engine. Make sure it's turning and everything's good. If not, I'm gonna have to do a conversion from an automatic to a manual, which is no big deal. I have pretty much everything to do the conversion. So yeah, stay tuned.